Welcome to the future of robotics. With this amazing advanced robotics IoT kit, you'll dive into the exciting world of building and programming robots. Powered by the QuadHUB, a powerful microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this kit will help you bring your robotic creations to life. What is IoT software? IoT, Internet of Things Made Easy, software is a user-friendly programming platform designed for creating code for the QuadHUB device. It offers a visual, block-based coding environment for beginners and intermediate users, while also supporting Python programming for advanced users. The software is lightweight, browser-based, and requires no complex installation, making it simple and convenient to use. What is QuadHUB device? The QuadHUB is the brain of your robot, a compact yet highly capable microcontroller that can be programmed to control motors, sensors, and even enable wireless communication. Its dual-core processing functions like two computers in one, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow your robot to connect to the internet or interact with your smartphone. What can you build? With this kit, you can create a variety of electronic devices and robots such as automated systems like automatic hand sanitizers, toll plaza systems, burglar alarms, overhead tank alarms, and fire alarms. You can also build obstacle avoidance robots that detect and navigate around objects, remote-controlled robots operated via smartphone, and light or line-following robots programmed to track light sources or lines. Additionally, the kit enables IoT projects, allowing you to control devices remotely and collect data from them, opening endless possibilities for innovation.